Stellar Whispers, Lily and Midnight's Cosmic Odyssey. In a quaint village nestled near the enchanted forest, lived Lily and her faithful black cat companion, Midnight. Lily was known for her kind heart and insatiable curiosity. She possessed a magical sack, discovered long ago underneath an old oak tree. This sack granted her the extraordinary power to travel through space and time, unravel mysteries, and learn new things. One morning, as the sun painted the sky with hues of gold, Lily stood before her enchanting sack, thinking of the endless possibilities it held. This time, her inquisitive mind was fixated on the planets that adorned the night sky. With a gentle touch of the sack, Lily and Midnight were whisked away on a cosmic journey. Lily and Midnight's cosmic journey took them to the planet Mercury, the closest world to the scorching embrace of the sun. As they arrived on Mercury, Lily felt a strange sensation. The sack had transformed her into an adult, ensuring her safety in the harsh environment. Midnight remained loyal by her side, his wide eyes filled with wonder. They learned that Mercury was incredibly hot during the day and chillingly cold at night, just like the extremes of temperatures they experienced in their village. They marveled at the unique features that made Mercury both intriguing and inhospitable. Mercury, named after the swift messenger of the Roman gods, is a planet of extremes. Its days are scorching, with temperatures soaring up to a blistering 800 degrees Fahrenheit, 427 degrees Celsius. However, its nights are chillingly cold, plummeting to around -290 degrees Fahrenheit, -179 degrees Celsius. This extreme temperature variation is due to Mercury's lack of a significant atmosphere to trap and distribute heat. The planet's surface is a stark contrast of rugged terrains. Rocky plains, craters, and towering cliffs create a rugged landscape. The largest impact basin on Mercury, known as the Caloris Basin, spans over 960 miles, 1,550 kilometers, and is surrounded by concentric rings of mountains, forming a unique pattern akin to the rings of an enchanted pool. Lily and Midnight gazed at the sunlit side of Mercury, where they noticed that the surface was heavily cratered, resembling the marks left by the whimsical forest creatures as they danced around the forest floor. These craters were formed by the impacts of asteroids and comets over millions of years, shaping the planet's rugged appearance. Despite its proximity to the Sun, Mercury isn't the hottest planet due to its lack of a significant atmosphere. The atmosphere on Mercury is incredibly thin, composed mainly of oxygen, sodium, and hydrogen, which is far too sparse to create a greenhouse effect like that found on Venus. This thin atmosphere also means that the sky on Mercury appears black, similar to the enchanting nights in the enchanted forest. As they prepared to leave Mercury and continue their cosmic adventure, Lily and Midnight couldn't help but appreciate the parallels between this distant world and the enchanted environment they called home. With a touch of the magical sack, they set off to learn more about the mysteries of the universe, their hearts brimming with newfound knowledge and excitement for the adventures that lay ahead. Lily and Midnight's Cosmic Odyssey led them next to the planet Venus, where the thick clouds created a greenhouse effect, making it the hottest planet in the solar system. As they descended through the thick layers of clouds, they were greeted by a sight that was both enchanting and perplexing. Venus, often referred to as Earth's sister planet, is a striking example of how two similar planets can evolve differently. Despite its similarities in size and composition to Earth, Venus boasts an incredibly harsh and unforgiving environment. Its atmosphere is a dense veil of clouds primarily composed of carbon dioxide, which creates a potent greenhouse effect, and sulfuric acid droplets, which obscure the planet's surface from view and create a stunning spectacle. Beneath this veil of clouds, Venus' surface is a scorching hell's cape. The greenhouse effect caused by the thick atmosphere traps heat, leading to surface temperatures that can soar up to a staggering 900 degrees Fahrenheit, 475 degrees Celsius. This extreme heat could melt lead and would be utterly inhospitable to any life forms. The surface of Venus is adorned with vast plains, towering mountains, and deep valleys. Its most prominent feature is a series of volcanoes, with some peaks soaring higher than Earth's Mount Everest. The volcanic activity on Venus is a testament to the planet's tumultuous history. One intriguing mystery of Venus is its retrograde rotation, meaning it spins on its axis in the opposite direction of most other planets, including Earth. This unique trait, along with its thick atmosphere, contributes to Venus' slow rotation and extremely long days, longer even than its year, which is shorter than a day on Earth. Despite the challenges posed by Venus' harsh conditions, they marveled at the planet's beauty and resilience. Just as they found solace in the tranquility of the enchanted forest, they appreciated Venus' unique qualities that set it apart in the cosmic tapestry. With a touch of the magical sack, Lily and Midnight bid farewell to Venus and continued their celestial journey, their minds abuzz with the fascinating tales they had gathered from this mysterious planet. As they traversed the universe, they carried the lessons of Venus' contradictions and complexities, intertwining them with the enchanting stories they would share with their companions back in their village near the enchanted forest. Lily and Midnight's cosmic adventure brought them to the captivating realm of Mars, a planet that has fascinated humans for centuries with its reddish hue and potential for harboring signs of life. As they touched down on its rusty surface, they were greeted by a world that held both the echoes of ancient mysteries and the promise of exploration. Mars, named after the Roman god of war, is often referred to as the Red Planet due to its distinctive reddish appearance. This coloration is the result of iron-rich minerals in its soil that have oxidized over time. Mars' surface features a variety of landscapes that spoke of a complex geological history. Lily and Midnight marveled at the towering volcanoes, including Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system. The planet also boasts a vast canyon system known as Valles Marineris, a geological marvel that stretches over 2,500 miles, 4,000 kilometers. Mars' thin atmosphere is primarily composed of carbon dioxide, with traces of nitrogen and argon. The presence of this atmosphere contributes to its striking sunrises and sunsets, with hues of orange and pink. The quest for signs of past or present life on Mars has been a driving force behind exploration. Lily and Midnight learned about the discovery of ancient riverbeds and the potential presence of water ice beneath the surface, which ignited their imagination much like the tales of undiscovered wonders in the heart of the enchanted forest. Mars' two small moons, Phobos and Deimos, added to the planet's mystique. These irregularly shaped moons are thought to be captured asteroids. Lily and Midnight prepared to leave Mars and continue their celestial journey. Jupiter welcomed them with its massive size, the largest planet in our solar system. Here, they discovered that Jupiter had the strongest magnetic field of all the planets. As they descended through the planet's swirling bands of gas clouds, they couldn't help but be captivated by the majesty and mystery that awaited them. Jupiter, named after the king of the Roman gods, is a gas giant, a planet primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, much like the tales of ethereal realms woven into the enchanting stories told near the enchanted forest. Its immense size is awe-inspiring, with a diameter over 11 times that of Earth's. Jupiter's sheer mass grants it a powerful gravitational pull, which becomes apparent as one approaches its colossal presence. The planet's most iconic feature is its intricate system of cloud bands and the Great Red Spot, a massive storm that has been raging for centuries. These clouds, consisting of ammonia and methane, swirl in patterns that are both mesmerizing and complex. Lily and Midnight gazed in wonder at the way the clouds danced across Jupiter's surface, much like the enchanting dances of the forest creatures during festivals under the starlit sky. The Great Red Spot, a colossal storm larger than Earth itself, is a mystery that scientists are still unraveling. Its vivid hue and longevity, like the enduring legends whispered among the forest's ancient trees, have fascinated astronomers for generations. While its exact origins remain uncertain, the storm serves as a reminder of the universe's boundless complexity. Jupiter's strong magnetic field is another captivating feature. It creates a powerful magnetosphere that traps charged particles and creates stunning auroras near the planet's poles. Deeper within Jupiter lies its core, a realm of high pressure and temperature that challenges our understanding of the universe. It's believed that this core is composed of heavy elements like rock and metal, creating an intriguing contrast to the outer layers of the planet. With a touch of the magical sack, Lily and Midnight bid farewell to Jupiter, their cosmic exploration carrying them to the enchanting realm of Saturn, a celestial wonder known for its iconic rings and captivating beauty. As they descended through the layers of its atmosphere, they were greeted by a sight that was both breathtaking and mysterious. Saturn, named after the Roman god of agriculture, is often referred to as the jewel of the solar system due to its stunning system of rings. These rings, composed mainly of ice particles and rocky debris, create a dazzling display that has captured the imagination of humans for centuries. As Lily and Midnight approached Saturn, they marveled at the rings' intricate patterns. The rings of Saturn are divided into several distinct sections, each with its own characteristics and composition. Lily and Midnight were captivated by the brilliance of the main rings, which are named alphabetically in the order of their discovery, A, B, C, and so on. These rings vary in thickness and brightness, creating a mesmerizing tapestry. Saturn's rings are not solid structures but are made up of countless particles, ranging in size from tiny grains of dust to larger boulders. This intricate composition gave the rings their ethereal appearance and a sense of delicate fragility. Beyond the rings, Saturn itself is a gas giant, similar in composition to Jupiter. Its atmosphere is mainly composed of hydrogen and helium, with traces of other elements and compounds. Lily and Midnight marveled at the planet's golden hue, created by the presence of ammonia crystals in its upper atmosphere. Saturn's many moons added to the allure of this captivating world. Lily and Midnight learned about Titan, Saturn's largest moon, shrouded in a thick atmosphere and boasting lakes of liquid methane. They were fascinated by Enceladus, a moon that spewed geysers of water vapor into space, much like the hidden springs that fed the babbling brooks in the heart of the enchanted forest. As Lily and Midnight prepared to leave Saturn and continue their celestial journey, they carried with them a sense of wonder and appreciation for the cosmic beauty they had witnessed. Their cosmic odyssey guided them next to the enigmatic realm of Uranus, a planet that stands out not only for its unique tilt but also for its subtle beauty and mysteries waiting to be unveiled. As they descended through its chilly atmosphere, they were greeted by a world that was both intriguing and captivating. Uranus, named after the ancient Greek god of the sky, is a planet that spins on its side, a trait that sets it apart from its celestial peers. Its axial tilt is so extreme that it essentially rotates on its side, making it appear to roll along its orbital path. This peculiar characteristic creates seasons that are far more extreme than those experienced on Earth. The atmosphere of Uranus is primarily composed of hydrogen, helium, and methane. It's the presence of methane that gives Uranus its distinct blue-green coloration, a serene hue that captured Lily and Midnight's hearts much like the calming shades of the forest's tranquil ponds. Uranus' surface is composed mainly of icy materials, and its lack of solid land masses means that it has a fluid-like outer layer. Beneath its gaseous atmosphere lies a mixture of water, methane, and ammonia that forms a slushy, icy mantle. Uranus is also home to a system of rings, much like Saturn's, although they are fainter and less extensive. These rings are made up of dark particles, possibly composed of water ice and complex organic compounds, creating an intriguing contrast to the bright, ethereal appearance of the planet itself. The moons of Uranus added another layer of wonder to its story. Lily and Midnight learned about Miranda, a moon with rugged, varied terrain that spoke of a tumultuous past much like the stories of ancient battles and epic quests told near the heart of the enchanted forest. They marveled at Oberon and Titania, the largest moons, and the way they seemed to dance in harmony with Uranus. Lily and Midnight's cosmic voyage led them next to the distant and mysterious realm of Neptune, a planet that embodies the awe and wonder of the outer solar system. As they ventured into its deep blue atmosphere, they were greeted by a world that held both beauty and intrigue. Neptune, named after the Roman god of the sea, is a gas giant similar in composition to its neighbors Jupiter and Saturn. The atmosphere of Neptune is composed mainly of hydrogen, helium, and methane, and the traces of methane, which absorbs red light and reflects blue light back into space, contributes to its blue color and creates intricate cloud patterns that dance across its surface. One of Neptune's most distinctive features is the Great Dark Spot, a massive storm system that resembles Jupiter's Great Red Spot. While this storm and its dynamics remain somewhat of a mystery, it added to the allure of Neptune as a realm of uncharted wonders. Neptune's moon Triton, however, stole the show with its captivating and unique characteristics. Lily and Midnight learned that Triton orbits Neptune in a retrograde motion, opposite to the planet's own rotation. This unusual orbit suggests that Triton was likely captured by Neptune's gravity. Triton's surface is a world of contrasts, featuring smooth plains, icy mountains, and geysers that spew nitrogen gas into space. The interplay of these elements created a diverse and mysterious landscape that left Lily and Midnight both intrigued and amazed. As they prepared to leave Neptune and continue their cosmic exploration, Lily and Midnight carried with them a sense of wonder and reverence for the distant and mysterious realms of the universe. As Lily and Midnight's cosmic adventure continued, their journey led them to the dwarf planet Pluto. While smaller than the other planets they had visited, Pluto held its own enchanting mysteries that captured their hearts. Pluto, named after the Roman god of the underworld, stands as a testament to the ever-changing nature of scientific understanding. Previously classified as the 9th planet, it was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006 due to new criteria set by the International Astronomical Union. Despite this change, Pluto's allure remained. Pluto's surface features were a mosaic of wonder and intrigue. As Lily and Midnight explored, they discovered vast plains, towering mountains, and icy terrains that glittered like the enchanted frost that occasionally adorned the forest in the heart of winter. One of its most fascinating features was the heart-shaped region known as Tombor Regio, named after Clyde Tombaugh, the astronomer who discovered Pluto. This unique feature, resembling the embrace of two forest creatures in an eternal dance, became an enduring symbol of Pluto's charm. The dwarf planet's thin atmosphere, primarily composed of nitrogen with traces of methane, created ethereal hazes that added to its mystical appearance. Lily and Midnight marveled at how the atmosphere interacted with the sunlight, painting the skies in hues of blue and pink. Pluto's moon, Charon, also captured their attention. As they learned about the synchronous rotation of Pluto and Charon, where they always face each other with the same side, they were reminded of the unbreakable bonds that tied their companions together in the enchanted forest. In addition to Charon, Pluto has 4 smaller moons: Styx, Nix, Kerberos, and Hydra. Lily and Midnight's celestial journey finally brought them back to their beloved home planet, Earth, where the enchanted forest thrived and the stories of their adventures were eagerly awaited. As they stepped onto the familiar soil, they realized that the enchantment of their own world was as captivating as any they had encountered among the stars. Earth, the 3rd planet from the Sun, is a precious oasis in the vast expanse of the universe. Its diverse landscapes, vibrant ecosystems, and intricate interconnectedness made it a realm of wonder and beauty. The clear blue skies and the scent of blooming flowers reminded them of the soothing aura of the enchanted forest, where the air was always filled with the promise of discovery and adventure. Earth's varied landscapes, from towering mountains to serene lakes, mirrored the diversity they had witnessed in their cosmic journey. Lily and Midnight ventured through lush forests, expansive meadows, and babbling brooks, finding echoes of the different worlds they had explored. The landscapes were both the canvas for their adventures and the backdrop for the tales shared beneath the starlit sky. As they looked up at the night sky, Lily and Midnight were reminded of the wondrous constellations that adorned the heavens, much like the stories woven into the tapestry of their lives. With a heart full of wonder, Lily marveled at the world around her, seeing it with fresh eyes and a renewed sense of curiosity. The lush greenery of the enchanted forest appeared even more vibrant, and the tales of her cosmic journey resonated in her mind like the echoes of a cherished melody. As she stood there, a smile playing on her lips, Lily realized that her journey through the planets had not only deepened her understanding of the universe but also her connection to her own world. With Midnight by her side, she stepped forward, ready to embrace the mysteries, adventures, and enchantment that awaited her in the world she had always known and loved.